Hey, what's up guys, Yusuf here from TechDroids, and in today's video let's take a look at this new graphics card from Galax. This is their GeForce RTX 2060 Super EXOC edition, and yeah, this is going to be part of their Super series launch. So 2060 Super, 2070 Super and 2080 Super. This is going to be the cheapest card. So in today's video let's unbox it, take a look at what comes in the box, and yeah, let's take a look at the design, the build quality, the performance numbers, the benchmarks and stuff like that, the specifications. And towards the end of the video I'll tell you guys if you should buy the RTX 2060 Super from Galax or not, and yeah, is it worth including in your next PC build for gaming and work purposes. So if you're interested in technology related content, smartphone related content, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And with that being said, let's get started. So starting off with this review, before we get to anything about this card, here's the unboxing. So with the unboxing out of the way, let's talk about the specifications. So this RTX 2060 Super from Galax will come with 8GB of GDDR6 memory, 2176 CUDA cores, and also a boost clock of 1695 MHz out of the box. But if you install their Extreme Tuner software and use their one-click OC feature, you can go up to 1710 MHz. So again, a really good overclock, and you need not fiddle around in the BIOS. No need to have any technical knowledge or anything like that. It's just one-click OC, as they say, one-click overclock, and you'll get extra performance just like that. More FPS in games, better performance overall, and that's a really good feature. Talking about other specifications, you have a 256-bit memory interface, 14 gigabits per second memory clock. In terms of outputs, you have 3 outputs in total, so 1 HDMI and 2 display ports. So DisplayPort 1.4 and HDMI 2.0B. I think they could have gone with more outputs, maybe a USB Type-C, maybe a dual-link DVI, or at least an extra display port, just to get the whole array there. But yeah, that's the only disappointment here. Other than that, everything seems good, and this is supported in Windows 7, Windows 10 64-bit, and you have a really good graphics card in your hand in terms of just specifications and stuff like that. Now talking about the graphics card itself, the design and build quality, it is made out of metal and plastic. So towards the front you have plastic, but it's really good quality plastic. And if you see these fans, these are huge. These are 100mm RGB fans, so they do light up and give off some really good look, and you can change the lighting effects and stuff like that. So again, it's full RGB, so you can change the colors and stuff like that. So that's the front. I really like this design. Again, good job Galax. Moving over to the top of the graphics card, you have "What's your game?" This is their slogan, their tagline, which also glows in RGB, so that's really nice. You have the GeForce RTX branding here, and you also have your 6+8 pin PCI power connector. So this will at least require 550 watts to 600 watts power supply minimum to get the full potential. And you can see it's a thick graphics card and a heavy graphics card. It feels really premium, doesn't feel cheap or anything. No corners have been cut in terms of the design and build quality. So again, good job Galax again, and it looks good. Towards the back you have their stamped aluminium backplate, which is color matched. So if you're going for a themed PC build or stuff like that, this is going to be again really good. And the backplate covers the whole length of the PCB, so none of the electronics will be visible or anything like that. And I really like this different colored design, and just gives off a really premium look to the graphics card. Here you have your outputs, and yeah, in my opinion it's a premium feel. Now with all of that out of the way, let's talk about the performance and benchmarks and stuff like that. So first let's talk about the normal games. So you can get 1080p or 1440p gaming out of this card, and in modern AAA titles, so GTA 5, Witcher 3, Battlefield 1 and stuff like that. All the new games basically, I cannot name them all. So yeah, you can get 60 FPS or more, no problem, 1080p or 1440p. Medium to max settings, Ultra, 1080p Ultra is possible. You'll get above 100 FPS, no problem. And if you're an esports gamer, so if you play games like CSGO, Dota 2, League of Legends, World of Warcraft, and also Rocket League and stuff like that, those games are again not very heavy to run, so you can get really good frame rates, above 200 FPS across the board in 1080p and 1440p. You can get high refresh rate gaming done. So if you have like a 1080p or a 1440p monitor with a high refresh rate, 120 Hz, 144 Hz, even 240 Hz gaming is possible in certain titles. So yeah, you're covered there. Video editing and live streaming is possible. So you have 2176 CUDA cores, which will help in Adobe Premiere Pro and just editing stuff. And you also have new NVENC encoder, which will help in live streaming and stuff like that. So performance is really good. Talking about the RTX performance, this is promising 1080p 60 FPS with RTX on, so DXR and DLSS and stuff like that. Not many games still support it, a few, but new games are coming out like Control, Wolfenstein Youngblood, the new Call of Duty Modern Warfare, and also Minecraft is available in RTX now. You have the Tomb Raider coming up, Cyberpunk, Metro Exodus, many games that will be supporting this RTX technology, and this card will be able to give you 1080p 60 FPS. So performance wise, in my opinion, it's a beast. Very affordable, very good value for money. Not many corners cut, not many compromises apart from the outputs. And yeah, in my opinion, at the end of the day, for the price of 37,500 rupees on Amazon India, 36,900 rupees on Prime ABGB, and you can get it for an even cheaper price if you buy offline. If you live in Bangalore or anywhere in India, you can order from Ankit Infotech or pcstudio.in. SP Road, it's located in SP Road. It's a really good store that I trust and support, and I buy my components there as well. So if you are a subscriber to the channel, you'll get a decent discount over there and a really good experience. Not only this graphics card, you can build your whole PC there and you'll get a really good experience, free assembly and free software installation and stuff like that. So go ahead and check out Ankit Infotech in the description down below. And yeah, in my opinion, at the end of the day, if you are into RTX, if you're into the 2060 Super, the Galax 2060 Super EX-OC is a really good choice. You have their EX one-click OC feature, the RGB lighting, good build, good design, and comparing to other board partners, Galax makes more value for money or affordable products, as I say. They're not charging a lot of money, but yeah, for what they charge, they give a really good product. And here's thanks to Galax India for providing this card. And thanks so much for watching this one, guys. If you enjoyed, go ahead and smash the like button. Plus, let me know in the comments down below what do you think about the card itself. What card are you rocking right now? Are you into RTX? Are you into the RTX 2060 Super? Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. We are very close to 10,000 subscribers, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.